found the apartment on Zillow. The listing looked clean, real, normal. Nothing sketchy, nothing cheap enough to scream scam. So when the landlord replied fast, answered every question, sent extra photos, and even gave me a video walkthrough, it was a beautiful apartment. It was exactly what I wanted. I thought I got lucky. I sent the deposit, I sent the first month's rent, and then he vanished. No keys, no apartment, no landlord. Just a dead listing, a silent phone, and the sick feeling that I had just paid thousands of dollars for a place that was never mine.
That's what makes this scam dangerous. It doesn't look fake at the beginning. It looks like the apartment you almost got. And right now, this exact scam is happening to thousands of people using real listings, real photos, and conversations that feel completely legitimate. Here's how it actually works. Because once you see the system behind it, you'll never fall for it. It usually starts with a real apartment, not a fake one, not some blurry Craigslist post. A real, professionally photographed listing. Sometimes pulled directly from Zillow, sometimes from older listings, sometimes from apartments that have already been rented. They copy everything, photos, descriptions, even the exact wording. Then they repost it under their own contact information. Different email, different phone number, same apartment. And here's the part most people miss. They don't need access to the apartment. They're not showing it. They're not managing it. They're selling you the idea of it. In many cases, they're running the same listing across multiple victims at the same time, creating a silent bidding war that doesn't actually exist. Then comes the conversation. This is where people let their guard down. Because nothing feels off. They respond quickly, they sound professional, they answer questions like a real landlord would. They know the neighborhood, they know the building. They even talk about maintenance, lease terms, and move-in timing. And slowly, you start trusting them. At some point, they'll casually move you off the platform. Hey, it's easier to text. I don't check Zillow messages much. It sounds harmless. But that's the moment everything changes. Now there's no platform watching the conversation, no protection, no verification. It's just you and them. Then they introduce a small complication. They can't show the apartment in person right now. They're out of town, traveling, handling a family issue. Something temporary, something believable. Sometimes they'll send a video walkthrough. Sometimes they'll offer a self-tour. They'll give you lockbox instructions, entry codes, details on how to get inside. And in some cases, it actually works. And this is where most people get fooled. Not at the beginning, not when they find the listing. Right here. After they've seen the place, after it feels real, after they've already started mentally moving in, that's when they apply pressure. They'll tell you there's a lot of interest, someone else is ready to send money, multiple applicants are lined up, the unit won't last. But they'll offer you something. They'll say they can hold it for you, just for you, if you act now. Then comes the payment. They'll ask for a deposit, first month's rent, sometimes both. Zelle, Venmo, wire transfer. But once you send it, it's over. There's no reversal. No dispute process, no protection. Just a transaction that's gone. And the ending is always the same. Just silence. So here's how you protect yourself. Never send money before seeing the apartment in person with a verified agent or owner. Not a video, not a lockbox, not instructions. In person. Look up the property independently. Don't rely on the link they send. Find the real listing. Call the actual brokerage. Confirm the person exists. Because the truth is, the apartment might be real. The photos are probably real, The building definitely exists, but the person you're talking to probably doesn't. And the moment you feel rushed, that's your signal to walk away. Because in this scam, everything looks legitimate, right up until your money is gone.